right, so I just got this. These are Cinoton, I guess, LED floodlights. All right, so let's go ahead and check them out. We'll unbox these bad boys. Let's see what the heck we got here. Oh shit, look at this. Holy moly. I mean, these are super, super heavy. Definitely heavy. All cast iron. And basically, you've got to, connect them electrically. You get 2 of them. And comes with the wire nuts. Comes with the wire nuts for both of them. And you get 2 of these bad boys. So check them out. Dang it. Wow. Now I just got to figure out where the hell I'm going to put them. I'm going to drop these wire nuts. I'm going to set one of them down. But I want to show you that it does have a Phillips head here. And so you can change this. And this is a connector here where you would tighten it to whatever you want to put it to. And then you can change the angle on the light here. So what I would do is I would loosen this, and then you can see the little teeth in there, and then I can hook it up. And basically it's got neutral, hot, and a ground. So you've got to connect neutral, hot, and a ground on this. And I'll be interested to see how these work. I got to figure out where I'm going to put them though, because and I've got to figure out what I'm going to hook them to. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. So this you'd have to completely take off, and then once you have it connected to whatever you're going to connect it to, this is what's going to lock it down. Of course, it doesn't want to go back on there, does it? Oh, there we go. So let's leave that on there for now. So you get 2 of them, and it's telling you what these are here. I don't think I need that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my video where I put this, or I install these. It'll come soon. Peace out.